Okay, emergency ever plugged in the computer. Sorry about that, y'all. Okay, so let's see this in action. And today, most everything's going to be words. We're not going to do much that doesn't really have words that we turn into symbols, and then we can kind of figure things out. Okay, so if this was our conditional, if it is raining, so P would be raining, right? There are clouds in the sky, so Q would be clouds in the sky. Okay, now, so this statement right here, and let's just write it out in symbols, P, then Q. The converse is Q, then P. The inverse is the negative of them two, so not P, then not Q. And the contrapositive is everything flipped over and negated from the original, not Q, then not P. Okay, so let's investigate this in words. If it is raining, there are clouds in the sky. So the converse is, if there are clouds in the sky, so you take the end, right? If there are clouds in the sky, then it is raining. You just flip the argument over. The inverse is, if it's not raining, so negate the first piece, there are not clouds in the sky. Negate the second piece. And then the contrapositive, if there are no clouds in the sky, it is not raining. And the contrapositive happens to be the original statement's equivalent. Okay, so it's actually equivalent to the original statement. Now, you don't have to take my word for it. We're going to use truth tables so I can show you. Okay. All right. Let's do it. So here's our truth table. It's already been built. We're dealing with two variables. We're dealing with our P and our Q. And because our statements are P then Q, and then our Q then P, and then our not P, then not Q, then our not Q, then not. Oops, sorry, my bad. I said it right, but my hand absolutely is not. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna just erase it all. Not Q, then not P. Okay, so we need all that. So we got all that. And then I just used the conditional. Remember our truth table there where we have our P and our Q and our P implies Q. And remember that turns out to be true, false, true, true, because these two don't matter if the original is false. Okay, so this is true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. Just reminding you, you might not have it sitting in front of you. Okay, so that's where this whole thing came from. Sorry.